Good morning and a very warm welcome. Thanks for staying tuned to CNN News 18. I'm Kritsween Walia. We start this edition of news with some breaking news coming in. The Delhi Police Special Cell has issued a notice to Penguin India. Through the notice, several questions have been asked and responses have been sought. The Delhi Police Special Cell has filed a case regarding the leak of former Army Chief General Naravane's memoir before its publication. So how is it that there are a few who have had access to the book even before it got published officially? That's the question essentially that's being asked by the Delhi Police Special Cell. I do want to bring in Simran Babbar into the conversation. This very book, Simran, was seen in the hands of LOP Rahul Gandhi. He was waving it in the parliament, sought a debate and discussion over the same, and that's where it all began. But what are the questions the Delhi Police Special Cell wants to ask Penguin? Because Penguin has also come up with a detailed statement and clarification that the book so far has not been published.
Well, this is in fact the unpublished book of the ex-army chief M.M. Naravane, and how it has been also politicized given in the context. Now, the Delhi police just 2 days back has registered an FIR, and after the lodging of the case in regards with the unpublished book being leaked or circulated over social media without mandatory clearances has become the major contention for the inquiry by the Delhi police as well. Penguin India, where it comes into the picture, had also issued a statement formally on the platform X stating that they did not really print the book, and after the statement it was also backed by the ex-army chief on the same platform. Delhi police, after taking the action on the lodging of the case, has now also issued notices to Penguin India to come and join the inquiry and to lodge their own statements and understand what were the sequence of events essentially, where exactly this entire incident actually was to be published, or when the book was not published, what was the status to be in particular, is what the Delhi police is now going to focus the further probe over. And on this very contention, now Delhi police has also expanded the inquiry ambit, where who actually leaked the unpublished version, how could actually on the social media it would be circulated. The forensic also detailed inquiry is anyway underway, but essentially the social media surveillance of what really was the channel through which the entire circulation began in this matter, that has now become contentious, and not just that, very politicized as well.
The Delhi police have registered this FIR, they've initiated a probe. What about the statements that have been made by some in the Congress, including LOP Rahul Gandhi? He said he has procured or bought this book or ordered this book via Amazon. Anything which is being probed by the Delhi Police Special Cell on that front so far, Simran?
Well, absolutely. As in fact, this matter was actually highlighted after in the parliament, we saw the 4 Stars of Destiny book in the hands of Rahul Gandhi, also questioning that who could be lying. Is it Penguin or is it the ex-army chief? And that is where exactly on the very same day the FIR was lodged. And if I have to also quote the statement of the Delhi police that have said that we have taken the cognizance of the information of the circulation of online a print copy, and that's the unpublished book of 4 Stars of Destiny. And while these statements are concerned coming in from various parties and primarily opposition, targeting how exactly the central government has not been wanting for this book to be published, also alleging that it has many secrets that is going to tarnish the image. These are the claims that could be also leading up to the part of the investigation, but so far Delhi police is only limited to the channel of the investigation, where exactly the pre-print version being leaked online or circulated on social media, through which channels, who were the accounts basically behind that, and who possibly could be from the within of the publisher's gambit as well behind this very
because
act.
this was not a manuscript, this was not a PDF, it very much was a hard copy of the book which was seen being waved by LOP Rahul Gandhi. So several questions remain still. Simran, now a clarification has also come in from General Naravane, who in fact reposted that clarification that came in through Penguin. Penguin India, the publisher, interestingly has said that it would pursue legal remedies against what it continues to term unauthorized distribution of the manuscript. What are the legal options Penguin India, if at all, is weighing in on? Simran.
Well, absolutely. If we look at the statement, Penguin India has also said that it did not really publish the book. And the police has said, also reported on the same matter, that the necessary clearance which is required for the book to be published or the publication is yet to be granted by the relevant authorities. Now, when we speak of this statement by Penguin India, what actually could there be the remedies for Penguin India in given how actually this could be leaked is what the statements of the Penguin India publishers and the relevant officials in the publication is to be seen, and that is something that the probe is only going to reveal. In
A
the
lot
days to come.
lot of developments expected on this front. Speaking of which, let's talk about more news we're tracking from what transpired in the Parliament just a few days ago. Thank you, Simran, for that quick update.